Listen, successful entrepreneurs often possess certain habits and characteristics that contribute to their achievements, right? So we want to talk about the 21 habits commonly associated with successful entrepreneurs. Just remember that not every successful entrepreneur has the ability or the know-how with every habit listed. But again, this is a good starting point of understanding what it takes to become successful as an entrepreneur. But before we get into these 21 habits,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
my name is Devon, put in word Burke for the Wealthbuilderz.com. That's the Wealthbuilderz with a Z.com, and the co-owner of the Wealthbuilderz Solutions, LLC. And if you love content like this video and talking about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business, then go ahead, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Number one, we're going to talk about goal setting, right? Entrepreneurs usually, and anybody that's successful really, set clear, specific, and achievable goals to stay focused and motivated, right? You got to keep the motor running. So this is how you stay focused and motivated, by setting these type of goals. Goal setting is one of the most essential parts of anyone's success, but especially an entrepreneur's, because there's no one there to push them but them, right? If you don't have a goal as an entrepreneur, what are you doing? Think of your goals as your GPS to life. Without the GPS, you won't know where you're going. Simple. Number two, time management. They prioritize tasks, manage their time efficiently, and avoid procrastination. This is definitely a need to be a successful entrepreneur. And sometimes I get hung up on my time, and I'm doing better, I'm getting better, I'm setting alarms and I'm setting triggers, that's so I can keep it moving. Number three, continuous learning. Successful people, but especially entrepreneurs, never stop learning and stay up to date and updated on industry trends and advancements. You can do this by staying tuned into different newsletters that are industry specific to keep you up to date. And speaking of newsletters, if you want to check out the Wealthbuilderz Newsletter, there's a link in the description for the Wealthbuilderz Newsletter, and you can learn how to make more money, save more money, build the better you and business. All right, so go ahead and check that out. Number four, resilience. They persevere through challenges and setbacks, bouncing back stronger each time, because you're going to have to deal with the ups and downs as an entrepreneur. There's really no way around it, okay? It's not all sunshine and rainbows, right? Number five, risk taking. They are willing to take calculated risks to seize opportunities and grow their business. If you're not willing to put some skin in the game and try different things, you won't be successful. Simple as that. And number six, adaptability. Successful people, successful entrepreneurs, successful business people can quickly adapt to changing market conditions and customers' needs, okay? See, the truth is, if you can't adapt to changing markets, then you can kiss your business goodbye. It's that simple. You have to be able to adapt. You have to figure out ways to change directions, pivot, whatever you want to call it. You gotta be able to adapt to different markets, because life and business is forever, ever changing, okay? Number seven, networking. They build and maintain a strong network of contacts, including mentors, peers, and potential clients. Okay, this is how you expand your business. In any business, we talk about it all the time. Network is a great starting point to build off of. You ever heard of the term, your network is your net worth? Well, it can be true in most cases, especially when you're just starting out and getting things established and rolling. All right. Number eight, problem solving. Now, problem solving, if you're good at problem solving in life, you should be, financially stable no matter what. But problem solving for an entrepreneur is one of the main things that are par for the course, all right? Because you have to excel at finding creative solutions to complex problems as an entrepreneur. I think problem solving is a learned skill, and you should always try to get better at it no matter what, okay? So how you do that is, even if you aren't an entrepreneur right now, if you don't have your own business and you're working for other people, you have to figure out how to be a problem solver in your daily life, at your job, your home, and all that good stuff. Number 9, self-confidence. They believe in themselves, right? How could you be an entrepreneur if you don't believe in yourself and your abilities, even when faced with uncertainty? If you don't believe in you, then who will? It's that simple. Number 10, customer focus. You gotta focus on the customer. Successful entrepreneurs prioritize customer satisfaction and actively seek feedback to improve their offerings. Gotta know what the people want, right? Right. Number 11, innovation. Entrepreneurs constantly look for ways to innovate and stay ahead of the competition. You gotta figure it out. You gotta be able to change before they change. You gotta be ahead of them sometimes to be successful. Gotta be. Can't always be behind the 8 ball. Number 12, decisiveness. Make a decision. You ever been around people that don't know how to make decisions or don't like making decisions? Then they are not entrepreneurship. They are not entrepreneurs. See, entrepreneurs make informed decisions promptly and avoid getting stuck in analysis paralysis. Number 13, financial management. They understand the importance of sound financial management and budgeting. If you're struggling with this on any level, then I recommend Wealthbuilderz Solutions and look for the Quickbooks tab, or you can check out the link in the description, all right? Because Quickbooks can help you manage your finances. All right, number 14, passion. Passion. This might have should have been number 1, right? Successful entrepreneurs are passionate about their ideas and are driven to bring them to life. Okay, if this is not you, then you might want to find a different business, because at some point you're going to get tired and burnt out, or your customers will notice that you don't really have the passion for what you're doing. And if the passion is not coming through, then you're probably not going to be successful in that business, especially if it's directly correlated to who you are. Now, if you're the type of person that takes money and just invest in different businesses, then you just might have a passion for investing and not that particular business. See how that go? Number 15, delegation. They delegate tasks effectively, recognizes the value of teamwork and specialized expertise, right? Delegation can also free up your time to do other important things, like working on the business and not working in the business. You dig? Number 16, staying organized. Now, a lot of people have trouble with this. I have trouble with this at times, but entrepreneurs keep their workspace and thoughts organized to enhance productivity. Plus, a cluttered desk or work area creates a cluttered mind, and if you have a cluttered mind, 9 times out of 10, you're not going to have a good productive day, because you're going to be all scatterbrained. Okay? Number 17, taking care of your health. They prioritize physical and mental well-being, recognizing that good health contributes to success. You can be successful and unhealthy, but it won't last long, okay? Because, you know, the healthier you are, the longer you last. And if you want to get healthy and you need the equipment to get healthy, check out Five280Fitness.com. The link is in the description, but more on that in a later video. Number 18, humility. Successful entrepreneurs remain humble and open to feedback, always looking for ways to improve. Always looking for ways to get better. Because if you're not looking for ways to get better, you're going to get stuck. And nobody likes to get stuck. Number 19, persistence. They don't give up easily and keep pushing forward to achieve their objectives. Okay? You gotta be consistent. You gotta be persistent. You gotta keep pushing. That's the Wealthbuilderz way. So why wouldn't it be up for, successful entrepreneurship, right? Right. Number 20, self-discipline. Entrepreneurs maintain a strong work ethic and avoid distractions to stay focused. A lot of people think that discipline is bad, but discipline can actually make you a millionaire if you use it the right way. 21, long-term vision. They have a clear long-term vision for their business and work towards its realization. Remember that not every successful entrepreneur exhibits all of these habits, and each person's journey is different and unique. However, if you can really work on these habits, they can significantly increase your chances of entrepreneurial success. So, with that being said, it's the man, it's the myth, the Wealthbuilder himself, signing off for 21 habits of a successful entrepreneur. Do remember, Wealthbuilderz, make more, save more, build more. Peace.